What's up, Lit Squad? It's your boy Johnny Lit. I'm back with another video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join the Lit Squad, hit that notification bell. At 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away $100. You want a chance to win that? All you gotta do is hit that notification bell and that subscribe button, so you won't miss a video. But nah, I'm alright. Thank you. Well, yeah, she do. But this video will consist of Jazz adores you. She's about to get her Jeep washed now. Y'all see, I just got the Charger washed. I just want to make a whole separate video on this because I know that video was getting pretty lengthy. This is a long process. Actually cut up short for you guys. And I'm back with my same mans right here. Shout that business out again because this is a new video, son.
Oh, it's Mix Bros Home Care. We go pressure washing your cars to fixing your whole house up. We do it all, Mix Bros.
Mix Bros, man. Y'all can follow him where at?
Instagram at mixbros_home care, and then on Facebook is Mix Bros space home care.
Y'all make sure y'all go do that. The links will be in the description once again. So all y'all gotta do is go support him, get your stuff done, gutters, car washes, and everything. But let's do this quick walk around of how dirty Jazz Jeep is. Y'all see it. Black pickup dirt. Real good. So you could definitely tell when a black car is dirty, and you could tell when a black car is clean. So she finna get the works real quick, man. Y'all see she got them 22-inch rims on there. She ain't playing. She got the sunroof up there, leather seats. Full review coming on this Jeep real soon too. I haven't done a full review on it yet, so y'all gonna see me do that. But we gonna let my mans get to work. He gonna spray that boy down. Alright. Y'all see it's fully soaked up. He got it all rinsed down, man. So now the next step, he gonna apply the wash with the wax. Gonna put that on there, rinse it off. Then from there, he gonna have to wax and get that boy spiffied up, man. Get the tire shine and everything. He ain't playing, man. Rims look good on this Jeep. Y'all can't say it don't. Real good. So he rinsed it all down. He applying that wax and dry. What's up, man?
It will get darker.
It's gonna get darker.
No, it will get a little dark. It will get dark.
Yeah.
This is a beauty too, man.
But the Jeep?
Yeah.
Yes, it is, man. Hey, believe it or not, this Jeep costs more than that.
Yeah, no, I believe that.
She could have bought a Scat Pack. But she said she wanted that Jeep though. That was like her dream car. That's what she really wanted.
Yeah, a lot of people's dream cars are Jeeps. I want that the one you take the doors off.
Oh yeah, the Wrangler.
Yeah, the Wrangler.
Yeah, them hard too. I got a video coming real soon with that. He had a custom one. He got like 32-inch rims on there.
So you got a video coming soon?
Yep, it's gonna be on my YouTube channel. You gonna see that? You gonna freak out, boy. He went crazy.
I got the notifications on, boy.
Man, shout out to Monty on 32s, because that's who Jeep I'm talking about. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to his channel as well. I will put it in this video. Y'all will see it right down right there. So make sure y'all subscribe to his channel as well. Yeah, he got crazy rap on there and everything, man.
Yeah, I remember Kelly always coming out here with some crazy ass
Oh yeah.
colors.
You see he did it again, boy. Oh yeah. He finna go ahead and dry it up and get it spiffy. Y'all see he got that black shining. It's looking real good. You finna hit the tire shine real quick. Get that together. Oh, he already on it over here. Look real good, man. Y'all want y'all car detailed? Y'all better go mess with them. Alright, y'all. He finished the whole Jeep. It's done. Y'all see the tire shine? It look good with the rims on it. Look real good. He over there taking his photos, man. Make sure y'all follow him on all social medias, Facebook and Instagram. He does a very good job. He on the pull up too, so if y'all need him to pull up to y'all, he would definitely pull up. So y'all make sure y'all go support him, support his business. He just starting out and he willing to grow. So go ahead and support the young man. But just like that, man, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to join the Lit Squad. I will be giving away $100 at 1,000 subscribers. You want a chance to win that? All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, man. That's it. Johnny Lit out.